Molweni babukeli, wampelekile kui ikelilila. Cheers! Today in class, our teacher wanted us to perform a phrase which contains all the three clicks in Esposa. So, for me, it was a real nightmare, a real challenge, and I want to try to read that phrase. The phrase means, I'm sorry, Dad, I need a doctor. So the phrase in Esposa will be, Uxolo tata, cela uqirha. So, yeah, it's really difficult because this sound doesn't exist in Italian and it's also a bit rude. So I have to disconnect the rudeness from the phrase. And it's not easy at all, but it's so nice. Ukolo tata, ela, uqirha. So, there we go. Sorry, Dad, I need a doctor. And I really think I need a doctor for real now. Cause I'm gonna make everybody sick with my accent. Ah!